My name is Abdulaziz and today's lesson is about Photoshop tutorials part 4, and we will learn about painting and colors. So let's get started. First of all, open Photoshop. When you open Photoshop, create a new file. Come up to File, click New, rename it to Extreme Learning, save it. Now here, as you can see, it's white background. Let's make it as layer. Okay. Now here, this is a paint tool, paintbrush tool, pencil. You can use pencil for painting, or you can use brush tool. Now let's use brush. Change the size to 100. Now change color here. Now let's start drawing. As you can see, you can paint to anywhere. Now here, you can also change background. Let's paint back into, just change the size to bigger. As you can see, now background color is red. Now if background color is red, you can also make a new color, green, 00 FF 00. Okay, let's draw circle. Change size to a little bit smaller. Make a new circle. Okay, it does not look like the circle. Let's remove it. Change it to red. FF 0000. Okay, change the size. Now another way is using big size. Now here, change color to FF00. Okay, click here, and when you click here, as you can see, the color would be bigger a little bit. Now here, this is a way for creating a new circle. There is other ways for creating a new circle. I'll show you in next lessons. Let's change it background to green. Let's make the half of background to red. Very good. Now as you can see, half of the page is green and half of it is red. Let's make a new blue. Okay, now select the center, a little bit bigger. all of them is called RGB. RGB means red, green, blue. All colors will come from RGB. That means all colors from here will come from blue, red, and green. Let's save it. Come to File, Save As, open your file and rename it to Extreme Learning and call it as RGB. Firstly save it as PSD, now save as GPG. Save. Okay, let's open your file. As you can see, RGB color red, green, blue. There is also PSD, RGB. Continue your project. Subscribe to Extreme Learning, and until next time, bye.